Hello, my beautiful people. How are you? I'm back with another unboxing video, and this video is about me unboxing my base box of BoxyCharm for the month of November. This month's BoxyCharm theme is invite only. Alright, so this is the box. Ooh, I hope it doesn't fall on me, but this is the box, and let me show you. These are the 5 products for the month of November. And again, BoxyCharm wowed me with the product selection for the month of November. Let's go through them one by one, and we will discuss their market value and what do they do and break down the products. So the first product we have is the Violet Was palette, the Sunset eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited. It has all the neutrals. Let me show you. It retails for $37, and this is how the palette looks like. And you can see, let me show you the swatches. So these are the mattes, as you can see. These are the 3 browns, which you can create any look with. And it's more like on a salmon pink, very vibrant purple, and again, a purplish pink. You can see more close. And then I'm going to swatch the shimmers for you. And these are the shimmers. I am very excited about the vanilla color because you can just use it on your lid to blend, but that is the palette on my hand. And again, it retails for $37. It comes in this Lux Beauty Brush Set. It retails for $40. This is Boxy exclusive. And let me show you the brushes. And these are your 3 brushes. They are, as you can see, they are very sturdy, very well built, and I love their fibers. This one, you can use it to literally, like, it fits perfectly in that eye area. If you want to cut the crease, this one is amazing for blending. Again, it just fits perfectly. Even the nose contour, I love this brush for nose contouring. And this one is an angular brush. You can fit it on your cheek. It's so soft. I mean, you can see the fibers. Oh my god, let me just show you. So soft. I mean, the quality is so good. And the brush set itself is $40, but it is included in your box for $25. Then comes the Skin Fix, and this retails for $50. And yeah, and it is a resurface plus AHA BHA enzyme exfoliating pad. And this has pads in them, and then I have used one, and it is really good. And it's full packed with the serum, and then you just scrub your face at night and put your night cream, and you sleep, and you do it not more than 3 times a week, because it does have it's like a scrubbing exfoliating pad. And I mean, this is included in your box. Like, this is worth it, right? Then comes this Bodyography. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. This Bodyography makeup brush cleanser, and it retails for $18. And yeah, you just spray. I picked up a little bit of purple from the Violet Was palette on this. I mean, this is a beautiful sunset purple. I will show you. So you just spray and then let this bubble, and then you swirl around the cloth, and then it's all clean. So if you don't have time to switch brushes between makeup, you can just do this. And the last product in the box is Ace Beauty Eyeshadow Amplifying Base, and it retails for $14.99. Ace Beauty did send the palette last month as well. Oh my god, the palette is beautiful. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna apply this base here, and I'm just gonna blend the base. Now you see this is like almost white. It gives me the consistency of Anastasia's base, the ABH base. I did use it. That base dries very fast. I did not like it and I returned it, but this one does not dry. Now I'm gonna show you what I mean. I'm gonna take something that just shows. So I'm just going to take this pink, the sunset pink, and I am going to put the sunset pink here beside the base. And that is the pigmentation of the color, which is very pretty. Now I am going to put the same sunset pink on the base. Let me show you. And you see the difference. So now I'm just going to wipe this. This is smudging off, but this one, I am applying the same force, you can see, but it's not smudging off. So this is what the base does. It locks your eyeshadow in place, stays put, and it does not smudge off, and it gives the vibrancy to the color. Plus the blending is easier because you're blending it on a surface, so it's easier. And that was the base box of BoxyCharm for the month of November. Again, it has amazing 5 products and it retails around $170, and you are getting everything for $25. And it has amazing exfoliating pads, a violet wasp palette, I mean brushes, amazing things. So I would highly suggest for you to look into the box. Until next time, see you. Mwah. Take care and do subscribe. I would love a comment, a subscribe, a like if you like my videos. Thank you so much. Bye.